In this video, we're going to be looking at the week 3 application questions. So let's get started. A client is receiving multiple intravenous infusions. Drug 1 must be infused every 30 minutes. Drug 2 must be infused every 50 minutes. Both infusions started at 8 a.m. How many minutes will pass until both infusions will be administered at the same time? So the mathematical term for the answer we are looking for here is called the least common multiple. Or the LCM for short. And since we have two drugs going here, we want to make a list of the multiples at every interval where a drug is infused. So let's start with the one that is going every 30 minutes. So for drug 1, they'll receive an infusion at 30 minutes, another at 60, 90, 120, 150, and 180. That should be good. So this is a list of just a couple multiples of 30. We're going to do the same thing again for 50 as well. So let's start with 50. There'll be another infusion at 100, 150, 200, and 250. Okay, perfect. So like we talked about, we're not only looking for a common multiple, but we're looking for the least common multiple. Or in this case, the very first time both of the drugs will be infused at the same time. And if we look at our lists here, we're going to see that 150 is going to be the very first time. And so our answer is going to be 150 minutes. All right, perfect. So we've got a very similar question here. Same scenario. Drug 1 must be infused every 30 minutes, and drug 2 must be infused every 50 minutes, and both infusions started at 8 a.m. This question wants to know what time will it be when these infusions are next infused at the same time. So instead of our answer being in minutes, it's going to be looking at time. So if you'll remember from our last question, our least common multiple was 150 minutes. And so that means that at 150 minutes past 8 a.m., both the drugs 1 and 2 will be infused. So this question is asking what time will that be at? Well, if they start at 8 a.m., (150 minutes). So we know that 150 minutes, let's figure out how many hours that is. 150 minutes. Well, I also know that 60 minutes is 1 hour. Okay, so we can do a little conversion here. 150 divided by 60. These units will cancel out, and that gives us 2.5 hours. So 2.5 hours past 8 a.m. is when both the drugs will be infused. So 8 a.m., let's do the 2 hours first. So 8 a.m. plus 2 hours is going to give us 10 a.m. Then plus another half hour It's going to be 10:30 a.m. So just to recap, at 10:30 a.m., both drug 1 and 2 will be infused at the same time. Hope this helps.